In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot to draft content and create a page. We'll walk through how to access Copilot with your work or school account, start a productive chat to generate content, and then turn that content into a polished page you can refine. This feature is generally available for Microsoft 365 Business and Enterprise licensees, so if you're signed in with an eligible account, you should be good to go. First, access Copilot. Open your browser and sign in with your work or school account at Microsoft365.com Copilot, or launch the Copilot app on Windows, Mac, or your mobile device. Use the same organizational account you use for Microsoft 365 so your permissions and files carry over. Once you're in, you'll land in the Copilot chat interface. If you don't see Copilot, your organization may not have enabled it yet. Next, initiate a chat. In the chat box, type a clear prompt describing the content you want. For example, you might say, draft a project overview for the new website launch. The more detail you provide, the better the first draft. Consider specifying the audience, tone, length, and any key points you must include, such as goals, milestones, or deadlines. Then send your prompt and give Copilot a moment to compose. Read through the response and, if needed, refine it by asking for adjustments like make it more concise, add a timeline section, or use a more formal tone. Iterating a couple of times here can save you significant editing later. When you're happy with the draft, create the page. Look for the option labeled Edit in Pages or the page icon near the response. Selecting it will open a new side-by-side page, a persistent canvas that captures the AI-generated content. On one side, you'll keep your chat to continue asking for tweaks or additions. On the other side, you'll see the page where you can format headings, adjust sections, and add or remove details. Rename the page to something meaningful and skim for placeholders or generic phrases to tailor. This canvas is designed to stick around so your edits are saved and accessible later within Microsoft 365. To wrap up, you accessed Copilot with your organizational account, started a focused chat to generate a strong first draft, and converted that draft into a persistent page you can polish and share. Keep prompts specific, iterate quickly, and use the side-by-side page to finalize your content efficiently. And always avoid pasting sensitive information into your prompts.